I need to get the important piece down there.
Nikolai, what are you doing?
T is going to be Batman in a second for us.
No, it's...
We've got a grappling hook here and a man here that needs to climb down.
I just climb up.
Oh, that'd be
climb
badass.
down.
He's going to climb up.
This is gonna be epic.
Look, this dude's already climbing.
What dude? No, he's not.
I thought you were going to climb up here.
Fuck no.
Come on, Colin.
I should have moved it towards the corner so he could like put his feet on.
He's gonna climb right up the rope. I love this song.
Before you get all the way up here, you need to knock on the second floor.
No.
You just
Ding
need to
dong
like
ditch.
get
Ding dong ditch.
the units or something.
Knock on their door.
Like, what's up, y'all? I took the hard way.
Hey guys, just getting home from work.
Hey, can you just throw the bag back
Just
down?
coming in from work.
What's up?
Can you throw the bag back down?
The red one?
4,550.
The red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
4,550 out there.
What's in the backpack? Another rope.
We gotta make sure this goes. Who's playing MGMT?
Me!
Awesome. Rock on.
550 pounds in that world. Parachute one.
That's pretty awesome. The interlocking.
Colin, you should draw it. Yeah. Draw it. The natural phenomena.
Is he in architecture?
Yeah.
Where does he sit at in architecture?
Put it in the rain and watch it weather.
I never noticed him.
Put it in folic acid.
Then draw it.
And draw
every
the
15
colors
seconds.
and the contour lines
Capture its essence.
in Microsoft Paint. Can you do that, Colin?
Do what?
Everything I just said?
You're pretending not to hear anything.
So
You heard
funny.
it.
Where's JT? He needs to watch this. Get JT out here.
Dickie, dude, this guy has a grappling hook, and he threw it up here, and he's about to climb up here.
Come here. He got a grappling hook, and Nikolai's gonna climb.
Hey, Nikolai caught us.
Hey, bro, that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. Did you really make this shit?
Yeah, he welded it together. And he tied the knots and everything.
What the fuck?
Who is that?
I don't know.
Hey!
Where's Bo was at the studio.
He's tying more knots.
Hey, howdy. You black
Hey!
I
Hey! Hey!
Why is there a fucking knife on the ground?
Hey, why is there a rainbow knife on the ground?
He was using. God, Nikolai doesn't like dangerous. Hey, Bo. It's gonna sound unbelievable, but somebody has grappled our porch, and they're climbing up it right now.
He's on the phone with Bo, and he just told him what happened.
I am being so serious right now. We got. Not a patio.
Hey! Is that right, Rambo? Is that right? Hey!
Got his fucking rope.
Yeah, it's Nikolai.
You and your fucking rope!
We might have to hold this shit like this.
Alright.
Dude, what if we pulled this and like put our hands and
Alright,
we all
man.
flew off?
Yeah.
Alright, talk to you later. All of them are like, the fuck?
He must be really angry or locked out. Nikolai.
Run, bitch, run! Hey, Nikolai, I gotta spit.
Yo.
Huh?
You gotta spit.
That shit was funny. Did you hear it go slap?
Are you lucky on what I said?
I was say one.
Were you laughing at what I said to that girl?
Yeah. I was like, you know understand English? No English? No English. Y'all look like little people.
We're going to squash them.
Yo, can we get in trouble for this shit?
No. What are you talking about? Oh, there's a video. Oh. No, get me off this shit. That's illegal.
Don't put me on. Hi, Stephanie. Hey, Stephanie. Hey, Stephanie. Hey. Oh, howdy. Nope. She's up.
Gary Seymour is the White House secret director on arms control and nuclear issues.
No, what y'all do about that?
What did you just bring yourself? What did you just bring yourself?
International and nuclear security issues.
Perfume.
It
Perfume.
was hosted by the American.
Going up and down. I record you, you record me. Haha. What is that? Call everybody. That's my mind. What did I say? What did I say?
You gonna do?
Well, this is how oh, you're just getting on.
What's up? Somebody caught us.
Oh no! Run, Nikolai, run! Run! Oh my gosh. And they're playing with the other end of the rope. Look at Colin.
God, there's gotta be like something up here that you need to reach. Like, somebody take his vodka and put it up here.
A reward at the end?
Yes.
For all the hard work. Don't hit him, what are you doing? He's not a piñata.
I can't listen to that singing. Are you good?
It's taking a good while. This would not be the way I would choose to break somebody's house.
You don't have a grappling hook, John?
I do.
You do?
Everybody should have a grappling hook. I've got one right here.
In your pocket?
No, right at my feet, right
In
here.
your shoe? Oh, that's yours? This is your emergency exit? Oh. That's a good idea.
You're a terrible thief.
That's why I'm not gonna. That's why I'm gonna.
Put your feet on there and you hold on to the two parts where the rope is attached. One up with your foot, the next one.
I'm just glad it's holding them, not this thing's not falling over.
I can't move it up.
Wow.
Okay, well that's why.
I'm really surprised that didn't break.
Find the other way.